Good morning, Carol. This is Julius at Tameron Honda. Thank you so much for taking a little time with me earlier this morning and taking my phone call. I just want to put a face with the voice. This is the 2018 CRV EXL. We still have some 18s available. I got 19s as well. It was Motor Trend's 2018 SUV of the year. We're very proud of it. You're going to get a lot of things in this one. It's going to really take more than a little simple video to show you, but I'll briefly go over. You're going to get high-intensity display headlights, LED fog lights. You get Honda sensing with this. It'll give you your lane keep assist, your adaptive cruise control. You also get blind spot information on both mirrors, a power tailgate, and you get sunroof, Apple CarPlay, a 9.5-inch display screen. It's just a beautiful vehicle, award-winning leader in this class, highest in gas consumption. My name is Julius. This is Tameron Honda. Let us show you our selection. I know we got the perfect CRV just for you. Thank you so much for your interest in the Tameron Honda. We guarantee you're going to love the way you treat it.